The Tiny Tool plugin for Generative Fill gives you more convenience when prompting in Photoshop. First, I will dock the plugin so that I always have it at my fingertips. On the left, you can select the AI model, and you can choose from the models that are integrated in Photoshop. Accordingly, you will use Adobe credits just as you would if you were using the prompt line in the contextual taskbar. The prompt field is also available here if you don't have a selection. In this case, the entire image is assumed to be the selection. Type your prompt into the field as usual. I'll just write, add a boat to the beach and leave everything else unchanged. If you check the Save checkbox before submitting, the tool will remember your prompt. To submit the prompt, click here or simply press Enter. Before I show you the saved prompts, I'll quickly type in a second prompt. Color both bungalows red. Clicking this button opens a small window with your saved prompts. Click on a prompt to open it in a larger prompt window, where you can edit it again. Then you can apply it directly or transfer it into the main plugin window. If you want to work with a larger prompt window for new prompts as well, you can simply open it by right-clicking on the button. Try the Generative Fill Tiny Tool now for 10 days free of charge and without obligation. Let's get started.